Hello everyone. So today I will be showcasing to you AI video note taking application which is powered by 12Labs, and you will be exploring about how the use cases of video understanding can be applied and how various problems or various solutions can be built around that, and also the intrinsic behind that, like how you can build it in a very faster way and contribute more towards it. So let's have a look at the video, particularly at the application first, and then we'll explore more. So this is an application here which is built on Streamlit, which is AI video note taking app. Here you can just add the new note by just putting the URL of your favorite YouTube video or any video which you wanted to have more than talking to a video scenario. Here are some examples which I have put on before. Like we can search around your notes, like intro or horror. I have like put it on. The prompt which I wrote for that was like summarize the main points of this video. Here is like a whole summarization. I can just edit out things if I just want to, or I can delete this note. Also, I put out like this horror kind of short film here and wrote like right scene by scene what's happening here. So particularly for every 3 or 2 seconds, it's just describing what's happening in the frame. Okay, so let's try on and let's see. I'm just taking on a very small video, trying to so that it would render fast. Let's say I just took this video URL and add a new note. Summarize the points of this video. This as test I would add on and create a note. I just uh, I just came across this video, so just put on. You can actually make use of it for the various use case of putting on the lecture videos to because there are lot more stuff like more than that of transcription, right? Understanding the frame or understanding more in depth about the video or the frames happening. Let's say if there is a video not having a context or the words going on around, and there are only the slides by slides text written, or maybe the graphs or plots are being there. So at that time you can make use of the application. You can build your own use cases on that. uh, it would take a bit time. What happens here is we are making use of two engines, Marengo 2.6 and Pegasus 1.1, and this two engines help us for the embedding. The Marengo one helps for the embedding, Pegasus one helps for the generative part, and this model helps for indexing and having a prompting with the video. So here you can just check on with the status of what's going on right now. So status is pending, then the status comes as indexing, and after that we get our video done, and also the prompt which is right, the summarize the main points of this video, or you can just write your own prompt here. If you just go through the application here, it's very simple. More of a, you can see a CSS part. This is a bit of a CSS. Here is the session state, so that your notes would be there saved in your cache. I'm not connected to the database right now. It's just a demo application here. Here is to check whether the YouTube URL you have put on is valid or not, so that none of the other URL just get hit towards the model. Um, Also, here is the process video. Currently, we are running through this stage, which is the status stage. And for every 5-second interval, it checks and tells about what's the status. And that's why it's printing, pending, like that. And as soon as it's ready, the task dot status says ready, and it shows, okay, video indexed is successful. And with the help of task.id, we can retrieve the video ID here, And video ID is very crucial. Okay, you can check it in your 12Labs account. I will showcase to you how it works. And with that video.id, you can actually have a connection, like you get connected to it and can have a conversation with that. Here is just a simple UI code of add new note here, summarized. Here you can see that the thing I was talking about, the Pegasus 1.1, which is visual and conversation, and Marengo 2.6, you can just change around the thing. We are not making use of logo here, so we can remove that. Or text in video, we are not talking about. So it's as per the use case you can define. It's a general one here. Um, Here are all the new node stuff which we stored, which we are looking for. And here is the search node or filter by tags and the logic behind that, and about the editing part here. And as per that, it stores into the cache. And here is the pop-up box and session state to clear the nodes. So let's see what's the status now. It's currently on an indexing status here. I guess it would be done like in few more seconds. uh, and then it hits the prompt part. Okay, to generate the text around it. There are a lot many other stuff which you can do here on 12Labs. Okay, as I told, video indexed successful. Still, you can see the application is running. So the reason behind that is uh, like the application running is the note generation. And now you can see uh, okay, it shows like the video features a man speaking patiently in garden setting. He is describing a variety of topics that includes um, so so it's like that. I will just reload this application. Okay, you can see that, and I have just cleared the cache because of the control reload. So that's why it's not showing. But you can just connect the database here. You can build more around this. So this is a demo application which I wanted to showcase to you. If you want to see uh, if you wanted to have a look around how it looks on the dashboard of 12Labs, so I'll just take you there. Um, and you can just see all the configuration which has been set up there. Also, the video you can view here, view there, and actually do the prompting stuff also. So that is the best thing. Uh, Wait. I will just took you towards the 12Lab dashboard where you can track on. Um, okay. Let me just share the screen. Yeah. So here you can see uh, the one which we have made currently. It's just the date time index because I have named as per that so that we don't need to externally add the index name there. And also you can see Pegasus 1.1 and the engines you can have a look on. I can just open it and just understand about what the configuration is. You can just see the video. Um, and also you can take the action here, select action of search, classify or generate. I can just go to generate and can have a talk here or summary, highlights or chapters. So you can just navigate to the dashboard itself on 12Labs. If you wanted to do experimentation, then you can build on the application around that. So yeah, that was all about this. You can go to GitHub. You can push an issue around that, or anything you wanted to have a contact. You can just check out the GitHub and the blog. Thank you.